This is a speed run about how we came from this to this. Well, let's go. We generated the image in AI, cropped the image, added a dark background, remove everything that prevents bright thoughts from entering our heads, separate different types of meat from each other, so that we can do different color correction for each of them. Change the color from yellow to orange because Dad wanted a daughter. Oh, I mean, because I wanted copper and not gold, but the black market ran out of copper ones. Put the phone in the refrigerator to freeze the picture so that it would be clearly visible against another dark background. Putting in inscriptions, playing with fonts, a little of the dark background so that people could read what is written there at all. Add the texture of poop smeared on the wall. Change this to the texture of my wallpaper after my cat. The picture is frozen a little more for better contrast. Try to stick a lock on it because our brain is all such locked up. Decide to stick a chain, left, right, back and forth. We stuck it. More, darker, colder. Thorns. Such a glow, another glow. Light on the chains. No light on the chains. Click layers. Such a glow, another glow. Fuck this inscription, no one needs it here. Now we need to move everything because of that inscription. We smeared it a little. Below. Bigger. Wider. Lower the chains below. Such a glow, another glow. Colder, darker, lighter, differently. Turned around, turned over, twisted it. We're done. And now, a little bit of magic.
I provide design services. Look for the link in the description.